So is this Tapswap project actually a scam or is it dead? Now, you guys remember Tapswap was one of the biggest crypto projects after the Notcoin project was actually listed, right? Because the Notcoin project actually creates so much awareness in the crypto airdrop space or in cryptocurrency in whole, right? And all this wave actually went to Tapswap, that time so many people after the Notcoin listing, so many people were doing Tapswap, tapping right there. Now, why do people suddenly lost interest on Tapswap projects? So the team behind Tapswap made an official announcement that its listing date is scheduled to be on the 30th May 2024, which all the players were actually excited, right? Now, 2 days to 30th, right, 30th of May, they made an announcement that the listing is being postponed to 1st July 2024, right? Due to some kind of robots, detected robots, and some kind of illegal means of earning the coin right here and other things like that. Now, a big crypto project like this, like Tapswap, can actually lose its reputation if the listing date is late or is delayed. And all the users or players will become dissatisfied, right? That is why I see so many people just lost interest, suddenly lost interest on the Tapswap project. Now, what one of the non-crypto airdrop content creator has to say about this? Tapswap being dead or is it a scam, all right?
So this is one of the reasons why I keep telling you guys, whatever you're doing, whenever it comes to cryptocurrency, be it mining, be it tapping, don't put your 100% hope in it. Okay, never put all your hope in it. Now let me show you guys something. There's a new tax that came up. The 2x don't come out again. These guys are just playing with us. Now when you click on subscribe and then you go to Telegram to join their Telegram, this is what you see. I hope you guys saw that. Let me see again. This is it. Niger Sports. I'm not trying to make this up. This is real. You can check yours. Also, when you do scroll, you see that they are actually talking about everything Niger Sport truly. Okay. So let's go back first. What this guy say. We'll still go back. Why sure how making a visit use talk. Okay. Let's head back. Then we'll go to join Telegram chats. Okay. Now she's taking us to Naira Land Post. Actually, boy, be this so under Tapswap. Che, oh, these people see I'm now. So that Biafra. More Edo governor. Waiting they happen. Waiting they sup. Like these guys, I don't understand. Because they like say they don't give us this hype, this calming vibe, sort of. You get the point. So me, I don't just know. I don't understand, honestly. These are tax, so look at it. It's under your tax. Okay. Now, if you all remember how Tapswap started, remember that before what was written around this coin you see, what was written around it is what was it again? Powered by Solana, but now is now showing powered by community. Simply because Solana said they don't know these guys. Honestly, the gas rush fine blockchain waiting go put. I don't know if it's money these people are looking for. I don't know if it's money, but the way it is right now, it's actually looking like that. It's just looking like they need money by all means. Okay, so you guys should be careful, please. Now the 2x that usually come up, mine was just here some seconds ago when I opened this app before making this video. Now it's gone. All right. Once it opens, they will ask you to link your wallet to Ton, and they will charge you Ton worth of $3 or $4. Some are up to $6. The funny thing is, it's kind of like it's not a stable price. You open today is different. You open the next day is different, and I'm sure that goes along. It goes along as well with every other person. So this is looking like a pure scam. It's looking like a pure scam to me. I'm not gonna lie you, it is, because there's nothing you won't tell me now. From what I just don't see now, with nothing you just won't tell me. Has Tapswap been a scam all along? This is the question everybody has been trying to ask. If probably this whole thing has just been a joke. But from what we've been seeing right now, it's of every clear indication right now that this whole thing is becoming to look more like a scam as the day goes by. Yes, Notcoin did a double leg stab. Okay, same thing they are doing right now, but Notcoin never in any way charged its communities based on taps. They didn't do that.
Now, to my own observation, the research, right, the Tapswap project is not a scam, neither is it dead, right? Although it has lost its reputation somehow, right? But you should not actually give up on it, right? Because you'll be shocked when it's finally listed, right? And the listing date is scheduled to be on the 1st of July, which is soonest, and it's launching on the Tone blockchain, right? The same chain blockchain that actually the Notcoin project was actually listed, right? And for the advertisement stuff he pointed out, other airdrops also does advertisement, right? Most of the airdrop games you play, you can see the will tell you to perform certain tasks like follow this person channel, follow this CEO channel, follow other projects, all right? And that is still advertisement, all right? And I don't see any difference with this one, right? Just that you can actually pay them to actually make advertisements to your channel or other things like that. That is still advertisement. It doesn't mean the project is actually dead or it's a scam, right? Or they are actually looking for money on other stuff like that, all right? So if you're actually sleeping on Tapswap, you have to get up, guys. You have to get up and start mining today. And if you haven't started, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment to start mining today. All right. Also, like, share, right? Like, share, and comment whatever you have to think about this or whatever you have to see about this. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel, right? Now, I'm not saying that it's not a scam. To my observation, it's a scam and it's not dead, right? But if 1st June and they don't actually list it or they don't say something, there's not something a better update about the listing after 1st June, then I'll actually still come here and actually tell you what is actually going on, give you an update on what is actually going on. All right. So and follow my Telegram channel where I'll be sharing with you make money online updates, tips, and also best profitable crypto airdrops you need to be participating in right now. And also Hamster and other airdrops, daily combo and daily cheaper tricks. And also you need to know, right? And also other legit ways to make money online this year. So go to my homepage and click the link right here, right? Which will take you to my channel, my Telegram channel, or you can click the link in the description or in the pinned comments. Right now, click the video point right here to learn how you can actually sell your hamster coin. If you want to sell your hamster coin and make money before listing, the only way you can actually sell your hamster coin before and make money before listing, you want to click the video point right here. All right, so I'll catch you up in the next video. So keep winning, go out there, keep winning, see you in the next video, and for now, peace out.